Hello everyone, my name is Anil Kara. I am MTS software engineer in Maxim Integrated. Today I'm going to demonstrate using MAX32666FTHR Application platform and debugging HelloWorld tutorial on Maxim SDK. Let's start by unboxing. We firstly have MAX32625 Picobox. Then MAX32666FTHR Application platform. After that we have USB cable. And lastly we have 12 and 16 pin headers. That is, we will have 4 packages inside MAX32666 box. Let's move on to the result of unpacking those 4 packages. As a result of unpacking packages, we got MAX32666FTHR, 12 and 16 pin headers, USB cable, MAX32625 Pico, 10 pin SVD cable, and USB cable. Let's move on to the result of connecting all those components. To obtain this result, MAX32625 Pico should be connected to USB port by USB cable. MAX32625 Pico should be connected to MAX32666FTHR by 10 pin SVD cable. Lastly, MAX32666FTHR should be connected to USB port by USB cable. Now I will demonstrate how to run and debug HelloWorld tutorial on MAX32666FTHR board using Maxim SDK. Firstly, you will need to use Maxim SDK. If you do not have Maxim SDK installed on your computer, please follow the link given below. After installation, you should click the Windows button at the left bottom and write Maxim SDK. Then you should click the Eclipse Maxim SDK app found as the best match to open Maxim SDK. In the first screen, you will need to write the workspace name. You can write MAX32666_WS inside the text box. Then click Launch. You can go directly to the workspace by clicking the orange play button in the top right corner. Currently, we do not have any projects inside our workspace. To import HelloWorld tutorial into the workspace, you should click File, New, Maxim Microcontrollers. You should write the name of the project on the opened window. You can write HelloWorld_tutorial. After clicking Next, the project configuration page will be opened. You need to select MAX32665 for the chip type selection. Then choose FTHR for the board type selection. Normally, there are multiple examples in the example type selection. However, you should click the HelloWorld tutorial to continue with the most basic tutorial. Since we are using MAX32625 Pico as a debug tool, we need to choose it for adapter type selection. After choosing all the selections, you should click to Finish button. After clicking Finish, HelloWorld tutorial will be visible in our workspace. You can click main.c to see the source code of HelloWorld tutorial. To clean the project, you should right-click to the project, then select Clean Project. After cleaning is finished, you should right-click to the project, then select Build Project to compile the source code. After building the project is finished, you will see the Build Finished with 0 errors message on the console window. You need to open the serial terminal to observe UART console outputs while debugging the application. In the serial terminal program, you need to select serial as the type connection. Then write 115,200 as the baud rate. To learn serial line port, you can check the device manager for the available ports. In my case, I have COM11 for the application platform. Then we can click to open to start the terminal console for MAX32666FTHR platform. After that, you should click bug icon and click HelloWorld tutorial to start debugging the MAX32666 application platform. You can debug the code line by line by clicking the step over icon. In this way, you can observe LED and terminal outputs line by line. You can also click on the resume icon to observe the HelloWorld tutorial operation. You should click the terminate icon to stop the debugging session. This concludes MAX32666FTHR application platform tutorial. To learn more about the Maxim products, please visit maximintegrated.com. Thank you.